Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Instagram shopping for product tagging step by step. To activate Instagram shopping for product tagging, first, ensure you have a business account on Instagram. If you don't have a business account, switch your personal account to a business account in the settings. Next, go to your Facebook page that is linked to your Instagram account. Make sure you have a Facebook shop set up on that page, as it's a requirement for Instagram shopping. Visit the Commerce Manager on Facebook and configure your catalog. Once your catalog is set up, link it to your Instagram profile through the settings. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Go to the menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, select Business. Look for the option labeled Shopping. Follow the prompts to submit your account for review. It usually takes a few days for Instagram to review your account. Once approved, return to the business settings and tap Shopping again. Choose the product catalog you want to connect to your Instagram profile. Now that your account is set up, start tagging products in your posts. Create a new post and upload your photo as you normally would. On the screen where you add captions, select Tag Products. Search for and select the product from your catalog. Position the product tag on your photo, then tap Done. Publish your post, and your followers. To add more product tags in stories, select your story and tap the sticker icon. Choose the product sticker and search for your product in the catalog. Position the sticker on your story and share it with your followers. Regularly engage with your audience by sharing new products and promotions. Keep your account active to maintain eligibility for Instagram shopping features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.